Hello everyone, my name is Sukanya Bhattacharya. I have qualified GATE 2022 in Life Sciences with rank 62 and I have qualified NET JRF in 2022 with rank 117. So I started preparing for CSIR NET from the year 2021 and I had taken online coaching classes from Biotecnika in the year 2021 itself. So Biotecnika, they provide you with online coaching classes. They provide you with an online portal where you can access the classes anytime. A schedule would be provided to you. I had the evening batch, but apart from that, I could access their classes anytime according to my convenience at my home, which was really very significant in my preparation. Because the quality of teaching provided was really appreciable, the guidance they provide, and they also have the doubt clearing sessions which are provided to you 24/7. So all this actually really helped me in my preparation throughout the year. So apart from that, they also provide you with ebooks which you can use as your reference for your CSIR NET preparation, and you have the online test series which is actually very helpful in preparing, because apart from the theory which you need to build up, you also need to practice as many questions as you can, and they have a variety of test series like weekly test series and AIM-NET test series, which were actually really helpful towards building the some of the concepts and towards analyzing where we lag behind. So I would say that if you want to go for CSIR NET JRF, you should prepare at least 8 to 9 units out of the 13 units which are provided in the syllabus. So according to your background, according to your interest, and of course from the exam point of view, you need to decide which units you need to work on. So from that 8 to 9 units, first build on the concepts, build on your work on your weakness, and then of course solve as many questions as you can. And those questions which you feel that you were not able to attempt, try to find out the answers for them and write the concepts in your notebook, which I used to do. And apart from that, I feel that coaching classes, they obviously provide guidance, they provide all the support, and the concepts are it's very helpful in building up of concepts. But at the end results, they also matter in our efforts, what we are doing, how much efforts we are putting every day. So that actually matters a lot. So I would say that continuity is very important, especially because life sciences is a very vast subject. So one needs to have a continuity in the preparation, because we need to memorize a lot, we need to revise a lot in life sciences, because there are so many concepts and there are so many things to memorize. So when I had attempted for my second time in September, I'm in a job, so I had to take out some time every day. So even if there were less hours, but I worked on it every day. So I would say that there was continuity in my preparation, which helped me. And apart from that, in my first attempt in February 2022, I had cleared lectureship, but I missed JRF by a narrow margin. And I would say that the main mistake I did was I did not attempt many questions. I actually kept on practicing and kept on revising the theory part, but I neglected the question practice sessions. So that's what was a mistake, and that one shouldn't do when one is preparing for competitive exams like CSIR NET. One should always go for practicing questions, and one should have an idea of what the level of questions asked are. So one should go for preparing and analyzing previous year question papers, which is actually very helpful. You can get those PDFs online of previous year question papers, solved question papers, and then you will have an idea of what kind of questions are asked in the examination. So I think that's it, what I wanted to say. All the best to everyone, and thank you.